This is the Mi Band 3, which is the successor of the Mi Band 2. This year Xiaomi took it another level with the design and quality. And in this video I will show you how you can install the English ROM without any issue, and it works 100% of the time. And this video is sponsored by gearbest.com. So when you are going to purchase one for yourself, it might come with the Chinese firmware that can bug you, and also if you don't know Chinese, you can't operate it either. Here I have installed the English firmware, and each and every option from this Mi Band 3 is in English. So as you can see, the date and time, the step counter, heart rate, weather, all are displayed in English. So let's see how we can get rid of the Chinese firmware and install the English firmware in this video. So firstly, what you need to do is to take out your phone in which your Mi Band 3 is paired with. In my case, it's my Mi 8 AC. Go to the Play Store and search for the Mi Fit app. If you already installed it, then uninstall it and head back to home, and from File Manager select the modified Mi Fit firmware. You can find the link in the description below, so go download it and extract the file and install it. And then launch the modified Mi Fit app and sign in with your own Mi account and let it sync with the Mi Band 3. As I have already installed it, it's doing nothing, but in your case it will show you that the software is updating. So when it's done updating, go to the settings of the Mi Fit app and check for updates, and it will show you the current version is up to date. And you can see all the functions are in English. So let me go through with all the functions of this Mi Band 3, so you will understand this is a really good fitness band. If you previously used the Mi Band 2, you will be familiar with the options of the Mi Band 3. In this case, there is no physical key like the Mi Band 2, but there is a capacitive key which will give you hefty feedbacks when you tap on it and hold it for different uses. Swiping up from home, you can toggle all the options of the band, such as fitness activities, weather updates, heart rate monitoring, and notifications of different apps that you have synced with the band. Swiping right from any menu will take you in the menu such as stopwatch, silent mode, and find device. Also, one best thing for me was the watch face. There are now 3 different watch faces available for this Mi Band 3. Hopefully they will add more in the future. And lastly, the battery section of this Mi Band 3. The battery life was superb on the Mi Band 3. I've got straight 45 days with 10 days of constant GPS activity and all my notifications turned on, so you'll have no issues regarding charging it once in a while. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, peace out.